In the world of forestry, transport is key. Today we are introducing the most powerful machines of the day, designed to handle the heaviest loads with ease. Let's explore with the wood journey. Watching this truck conquer the steep hill is like witnessing a bull charging forward. Unyielding, powerful, and purposeful. The engine, a true masterpiece, delivers unwavering torque with remarkable precision, never faltering even under the heaviest of loads. Oh my God! Right before my eyes stands a beast of a machine, carrying massive logs on its back, fighting to build momentum as it dares to conquer this treacherous slope. It seems the truck has been held back, with a bulldozer behind it providing assistance to push it up the incline. That old W900A is a real powerhouse, a true workhorse. Tackling those hills with carbonaras loaded to the brim with timber is no small task, yet the truck just keeps on chugging along, unstoppable. Deep in the forest, an American semi-truck hauls massive logs up a steep, treacherous slope. Its engine roars with determination, navigating sharp curves and dangerous inclines with precision. Surrounded by towering trees, the truck powers forward, a true testament to strength and resilience. In a serene, snow-covered forest, a powerful semi-truck roars to life, hauling massive logs with determination. Gaining momentum, it charges up a steep, icy slope with unwavering precision. A close-up reveals tires gripping the frosty path, steam rising from the exhaust and logs securely chained, showcasing strength and resilience in the heart of winter. In a rugged forest, a semi-truck loaded with massive logs carefully descends a steep, treacherous slope. The engine hums steadily as the driver expertly balances power and control, navigating the dangerous terrain with precision and care. A semi-truck without cargo struggles to climb a steep, muddy slope, its tires slipping against the slick surface. The path is treacherous, but the engine roars steadily as the driver remains focused, applying expert techniques to maintain control and balance. Bit by bit, the truck inches forward, each movement a calculated effort. Finally, after a tense struggle, it crests the slope, overcoming the challenge with determination and precision, a testament to both the driver's skill and the machine's resilience. In a dense forest, a semi-truck loaded with massive logs halts at the edge of a slippery, muddy stretch. Nearby, workers and a tractor equipped with heavy cables prepare to assist. With careful coordination, the cables are secured and the tractor begins to pull. Slowly, the truck inches forward, its tires churning through the thick mud. After a determined effort, it emerges from the mire, a testament to teamwork and perseverance. A logging truck battles its way through a rugged forest road, loaded with massive timber. At a steep incline, it struggles to move, and a man rushes in to assist, working near the front wheel. With determination and effort, the truck powers through the slope, its tires churning over the rough terrain. Finally, it emerges from the narrow, treacherous path, a triumph of grit and resilience that keeps you on edge until the very end. The video shows a massive white truck with blue accents hauling heavy chain logs up a rugged mountain road. Flanked by cliffs and steep forested slopes, the truck grinds through loose gravel and deep ruts, showcasing its raw power and resilience on the treacherous ascent. A powerful logging truck barrels down a rugged forest road, its trailer loaded with massive timber. Emitting thick black smoke, it powers through gravel and sharp turns, stirring up clouds of dust. Disappearing briefly into a dusty haze, it re-emerges against vibrant autumn foliage, showcasing its raw strength and relentless endurance as it conquers the challenging terrain. On a winding rural road framed by golden autumn leaves, an exceptionally long logging truck moves with precision. It navigates sharp turns with care, then unleashes its raw power as it accelerates, roaring through the countryside. The truck's strength and resilience shine against the stunning fall backdrop, a true testament to engineering and endurance. A massive logging truck looms in a clearing, surrounded by golden autumn trees. Its engine roars to life, churning up dust as it lumbers forward, black smoke billowing into the crisp air. The ground trembles under its weight as it turns onto a dirt road, disappearing into the forest, leaving behind a haze of dust and the faint rumble of its power. Amidst the rugged terrain of a logging site, a powerful logging truck takes on the challenge of navigating through dust, branches, and uneven ground. Its massive frame and roaring engine push forward, showcasing remarkable strength and durability. The video highlights the contrast between the untouched beauty of the natural forest and the raw power of machinery shaping the land. Each turn of the truck's tires emphasizes its resilience, a testament to its engineering in conquering one of nature's toughest environments. The video captures a tense and intricate process as workers strive to upright and overturn trailer in a challenging environment. Heavy machinery hums to life, and skilled operators maneuver their equipment with precision, highlighting their expertise in handling such high-stakes situations. Every movement is a testament to teamwork, as the crew communicates and coordinates seamlessly to tackle the daunting task. Set against a rugged backdrop, the rescue operation reveals the grit and determination required in such harsh working conditions, leaving viewers intrigued by the complexity and mastery involved in this effort. The video uses unique angles to showcase a logging truck on a quiet, rugged road. The deep hum of the engine breaks the stillness as the truck appears, its tires crunching over gravel and logs tightly secured. The interplay of light and shadow from the trees adds depth, while the natural sounds create an authentic, immersive experience, highlighting the truck's strength and resilience in the serene wilderness. The video shows a rescue operation in a forest where a semi-truck's overturned trailer lies on a dirt road. Heavy machinery like excavators and cranes carefully work to flip it upright. A safety supervisor monitors the scene, highlighting the skill, coordination, and effort needed to handle this challenging situation in a remote location. A massive logging truck emerges on a rugged dirt road surrounded by lush green forest. The engine roars as the truck approaches, its white and blue colors standing out against the backdrop, carrying enormous logs on its trailer. Rolling along the forest road, the truck gradually disappears from view, leaving behind the serene wilderness and a lasting impression of strength and resilience.